Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing essentials. Install the QQ app or open the official sign-up page and have your mobile number or email at hand. Once ready, tap Sign Up, then choose whether to register with phone or email. Phone is faster for instant SMS codes. Make sure your password is strong and unique because account recovery and linked services depend on it. After entering a display name and password, confirm terms and move to verification. Don't skip this step. It enables messaging features immediately. Now you'll finish verification and detailed setup. Once you request a code, enter the SMS or email code exactly as received. Codes often expire within minutes. Next, solve the CAPTCHA challenge to prove you are human, then fill out optional profile details like avatar, birthday, and region to improve account personalization. Make sure to link an alternate email or recovery phone number before proceeding. This step is why you will regain access if you forget your password or lose your SIM card later. Finish by reviewing and accepting privacy settings and app permissions. Once done, confirm registration to enter your new QQ account. You should enable two-step verification and set security questions where available. These steps reduce risk of unauthorized access. After signing in, check contacts and adjust chat/privacy settings so you control who can message you. If verification fails, try resending the code, switch to a different network or device, and ensure your phone can receive international SMS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.